Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. Until today we created our presentation and do some modification. But now let's just clean it. There are some slides that we don't need now. Let me just cut them and bring them back. Here, this slide also is not needed or not. I don't pretty remember, but let it be there. Let me cut this slide and put it here. And also, okay, cut this slide. We create everything and everything in the format we can see, but the thing we need here, when you visit everything, the thing it's lacking is the page number. For the page number, we have two options. We can use this slide number, and then you see the slide number here. That's pretty good. You see here, or you can modify it. Let's just go by this thing now, and we can also modify it if we want and create our own type. But for now, this page number is good and we are going to use it. This slide number that is here, the preview is showing that. We can also add a footer here. For example, we are going to put learning star and apply to all. Now your presentation is look like it's for someone, and you see it's pretty good. It's like you are owning your presentation. Okay, until the next episode, have a nice time and don't forget to like and subscribe.